Hi, it's Todd from Learn to Grow Wealth Online, and today we're going to do training session number 5, writing and publishing the post, and we're going to talk about some on-page SEO tasks that need to be accomplished. Yesterday we talked about how to use Thrive Architect Editor, and the prior session was about keyword research. So we're going to bring it all together and show you how to publish the post and what we need to accomplish. So you can read the overview here. The on-page SEO tasks. These 7 things need to be done with every single post. So let's just get right into it. So meta title and meta description. What we'll do is we'll come over to the WordPress editor, and you can see this is the WordPress editor here. And then we'll click on over the Yoast SEO plugin. We'll just click that right there. And this is our SEO title, and this is our SEO description. We fill it out here and here. Want to make sure we've got our targeted keyword phrase in here. In this case, it's what is stream energy, and we can see it there, and then we can also see it in the meta description as what is stream energy. The key thing is we want to make these descriptions captivating and interesting, because this is what's going to be showing up on the result page of search engines. So in here I've got stream energy review. What is stream energy? Find out inside. You'll notice there's a green metric under here. If it's too short, it's got to hit a certain length. It can't be too short or be too long. So just pay attention to that. You'll see that it's in the green, and so that's what we want it. Same thing with the meta description. And again, we've got that keyword phrase in there. Want to know what is stream energy, planning to promote them, read our stream energy review, da-da-da-da. So those are those 2 aspects there. Keywords in content. So our keyword phrase is what is stream energy. We'll go over to the post itself, into Thrive Architect. You would just hit that, launch that button. I've already done that. And so, the Google is going to recognize our keyword phrase because it's right in the title, what is stream energy. Then we've also got it within our first couple sentences and our last couple sentences in the post, and you'll see it here. You'll also, if we go down to the very bottom of the post, you'll see it here. Thanks for taking the time to read this, what is stream energy review. And then we want it in one of our headers, and we've got it in our second one, I believe, what is stream energy. So after that, keywords in content, we don't want to stuff our keywords in the content. If we can, sometimes you can add that keyword phrase like in the beginning. So if you're looking to find out exactly what is stream energy, you keep reading, things like that. But in general, there is no keyword stuffing in our posts at Learn to Grow Wealth Online. We want to write with the intention of helping the reader, and that's that. No keyword stuffing. So next, image alt attributes. So what we're talking about here is in every image, let's just go into our featured image. Click on that. And this alt text here is a description area, and we want our keyword phrase to go in there with the word image on the end. So it's what is stream energy. I've added scam and review as keywords to target, and then I added image on the end. It's always got to have image on the end because it's a description. So it would be, what is X review or product review image. Is product X a scam image? So that's what we want for there, and then we would just want to make sure any other images also have that, and I've checked and made sure that, for example, this image has it right there as well. So you can see that. All right, internal links. Internal links and external links. So links are all about providing relevant information for the reader. External links are links that take the reader to another external website away from our website. And so I typically want to use Wikipedia, sites like that, because they're authoritative websites that provide information, but they're kind of boring. They don't drive the reader away from my website, and that's what I want. I want the reader to stay on and read our content. And so for external links, that's how I look at those. A lot of times external links will open up in a new window, and then internal links are links of other web posts and pages on my website. So we want those to open up in the same window in general. So that's kind of how to look at that. And in each post we want anywhere from 1 to 3 external links. I usually do 1 to 2. And then internal links are just where they're important. It can be anywhere from a couple to 6 or 7. But it's just based on helping the user with a resource. Internal links are great to link because it brings a little strength within the website by just hooking up readers to other sources of content. So let's show you a couple of that. The very first internal link is a call to action. Here's my top recommended program. If we hit the button and look at the link, we can see that it's internally linked. It's not opening into a new tab, and that is a review of Wealthy Affiliate, and that's this page here. So that's our first one. If we go down a little bit further in the cons section, here we go, few lawsuits. This link right here, this is an external link, and we've got it set to open up in a new tab. There's one more I want to show you. In general with links, you want the text anchor, the anchor text. This is the text right here. We want that to match up or be related to where we're sending somebody to, the website. So this is the Better Business Bureau. This link is to the Better Business Bureau website. And so that's great. That actually helps our ranking. So ranking the content, the words, so that they match the website as best we can really helps. There's another external link. And then I don't think we have any other internal links here besides to, oh, here's another one, to another section within our website. And if you open up that link, you'll see it is not set to open in a new tab, so open within the same window. Okay. Video embedding. Videos are great because if they help the content and enhance the content, they keep the user on the site longer, which basically looks good to Google. So whenever we can, on every post, we want to add a video, and you just simply do it. It's pretty simple. You just go over here to the editor, pull up the elements. Here's the video section. Let's say I wanted to add it right there. I drop it there. Click Insert Video. Here I just select the source. If it's YouTube, I just grab the link, put it there, and it will populate with an image and play the video. So that's pretty simple. I don't want to keep it there, so I'll just delete it. Okay, so those are the 7 on-page SEO tasks that need to occur with every single post. Then if we come down, the main title, you can read about it. We want captivating and titles that make people curious. The one thing I would just say about the title here, this is where we put in the post title, and you'll see that matches up right here. So we want that shorter, and I want to make sure it has that keyword phrase in there. What is stream energy? Here we have, does it work? It's pretty short and sweet. You can read about that. Permalinks, just know that we cannot change permalinks. Technically you can, but we don't want to. Permalinks should just have the keyword phrase in there and any other keywords that we're trying to rank for. In this case, it would have been perfectly fine to be what is stream energy. This is the permalink or the slug or the URL it's called. I have what is stream energy review. Very clean, very short, keywords only, or keyword phrase. Yoast SEO settings. So we kind of discussed that already. The only thing I guess to add here, there's our button, edit snippet. Just come down here. We want it green, read analysis. We want it green for the keywords. Just put in the focus keywords. That's just press that focus keyword section, and we've got what is stream energy. The next section, and there's a step-by-step directions on how to do that. The next section is how to do this plugin setting. This is our star rating plugin, and here's how you fill that out. You come down here, click this, come over here and click review. You just put the product name in here. This is the meta description. This is the meta title. This is the author's name. This is the date published. You can find that right there. Give it a value rating. We use the same that we gave it on our post, on our review. 20 out of 100. I put in 20 there. I put out of 100. one is the worst, the name of our website, Learn to Grow Wealth Online right there. Save that information, and that's that. You can see detailed instructions there. As far as ratings go, if it's an absolute scam, I'll just call it 0 out of 100. If it has maybe something decent to it, maybe 10, I don't know. But 0 to 20, if it's not a lot of value, I'm probably rating between 20 and 40. Most MLMs that aren't scams, that aren't great investments in time or revenue, I usually categorize between 40 and 60. And then good internet products, I'm categorizing between 70 and 95. So if that helps out, we can help you out with that later on as well. So that's that section. Thrive theme options. The last section, just down here a little bit further. Thrive theme options, come down here and just click the social media section there. Make sure we have the meta title in here and the meta description pasted in here. The image is the same featured image as here. And then you just have your @ToddMaltz on Twitter username there. And the instructions are right here. Categories, we're going to put most of these, we're going to categorize them as bad reviews or good reviews. Most will probably be bad reviews. You can go through here and see if any other categories apply, and you can also make them up if you like, if you feel something is applicable, like multi-level marketing, that could be an added category, but that's categories. Featured image, we'll do a specific video to teach you how to create a featured image. That's this image right here. And then the publishing time. The only thing I mentioned about this is that if you're doing a bunch of posts and say you're coming back to one to publish it, just make sure that the publishing date is correct. You just go edit and say you worked on that 5 days ago. You just want to make sure that it's for today's date when you publish. Do a final check. This last section, fetching is Google and Bing. I'll show you this. Right now I won't have you do it. But this is how that would work. I would just go to the post, grab the entire URL. I'd have to give you my credentials. You can just go to Google, Bing Webmasters. You'd have to log in, go to my site, Learn to Grow Wealth Online. Come down to the bottom, Diagnostics and Tools, fetch as BingBot, enter the entire URL, and submit. I've already done that. For Google, you're just going to search Google Search Console. I'd have to give you the credentials. I've already done this. I would just then I would go click URL inspection, add that in there, and I've already requested it, but I would just request here to index. This is just allowing me to do it again. So that's how you would do that. And then the last thing is socially sharing the post, and all I do for that is just, come back to the post and then click on the social icons and share it. So that's all that we want to accomplish and make sure that we have for every post. So again, review the document here and review this video, and then there's a final task. And if you have any questions, as always, just let us know. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.